Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, I'm Mrs. Neha Nanda and I'm your maths developer. So, today we are going to do maths work. So, please take out a maths book that is Hands on Mathematics Level 2. So, today we are going to do place values and the face values. Place values and the face values on page number 14 and 15. So place value and the face value are two different things. Okay. So listen to me very carefully, kids. Everyone, please concentrate on the screen. Okay. Now see here. I have hundreds, tens, and one. H means hundreds. H means hundreds. Then T means tens. T means tens. And O means ones. So we always start our counting from ones. Okay, means if I'm talking about one, then two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10 will come zero, and one will come here. One will come here. Getting this point? And similarly, if keep on continuing, here 11 will come now. This 1 will remain here, and this 1 is consist of. Now you can see this one and this one. It is 1, means it's a face value. It's a face value. Both are 1. Place value. Now the place of 1 in 11, the first one is tens and the second one is 1. This one, the place value is ones. This one, the place value is tens. Face value means the number remains the same. 1 means 1. You can see 1 means 1. But the place value is getting changed. This one consists of tens. And this one consists of only 1. If I'm talking about 6 and 5. Now the face value of this 5 is 5, but the place value is tens. But the place value is tens. Where I'm placing that, whether I'm placing in hundreds, whether I'm placing in tens, whether I'm placing it once, I can place 5 in 100 also. I can place 5 in tens also. I can place 5 in ones also. The face is same, that is 5, but its value is getting changed. If it is in 100, see here, 5, 5, 5. What we will call this number? That is 555. 5, 5, 5. 555. Getting this point, everyone? 500. The place value of this 5 is 500. Place value. I'm talking about place value of this 5. Of this 5. Now, of this 5, the first 5 is 500. And this 5, the place value of this 5 is 50. And the place value of this 5 is only 5, that is ones. Means I can write 5 hundreds, 5 tens, and 5 ones. See here, everyone. The place value of this 5 is 500 in numeral form, 500s in the number name. Okay, 50, 5 tens, 5, 5 ones. But the face value for the for all the 5, face value will be 5 only, because we are placing the 5 on different position. Positions are hundreds, tens and ones. Positions are 100, tens and ones. Getting this point, everyone? Yes or no? For example, I say 677. Please give me the place value of this 7. Please give me the place value of this 7. Please give me the place value of this 7. So the place value of this 7 is 70, or you can say 7 tenths, or 7 7 tenths. Okay? So in this way, we are going to find out each and every place value. See here, to write the place value of any digit in the number, write the number in the place value chart. Place value chart is 100, tens and ones. Then write the digit whose place value has been written and replace the rest of the digits. For example, I have to find the place value of 5. So I will write 500. I will not see this. I am talking about the place value of 5. Place value of 2 is 20 and the place value of 3 is 30. Getting this point? So in this way, we are going to find out the place value of each and every digit. All digits. See here. 481. So you're going to write 4 here, 8 here and 1 here. Everybody is ready with their pencils? Everybody, are you ready with your pencils? Take out your pencils, everyone. Page number 15. Page number 15. Okay. So A, 481. So you're going to write 400. 400 means 400s, 80 and 1. 481. 8 tens and 1 1. 692. So 692. The way you will say it, the way you will find the answer. So 600s, 9 tens and 2 ones. Easy? Okay. Let's do question number C now. 901. So 900, 0 tens, 1 1. 900, 0 tens, 1 1. 446. So 446. So what will come here? You will write 400s, 4 tens and 6 ones. So you can see 4 4. But this 4 and this 4, the place values are different. But the face value is 4. But the face value is 4. Okay. So in this way, you are going to do module 9 on page number 15. Okay, this is your work. Now there is a 1 minute task. For that you have to look on the screen, please, everyone, and you're going to give me the answer by 9:30. Before 9:30, you're going to give me the answers. See here, everyone, for the last minute task. So for the last minute task, what you're going to do, you're going to write the place value of underlying digit. So the number is 345. You're going to tell me the place value of 5. 766. You're going to tell me the place value of 6. 234 place value of 2. 988 place value of 8 and 909 place value of 9. So you're going to write the place value of underlined digits. Now, please take out your diaries, everyone, and mention today's date. Everyone, please take out your diaries. So, what you're going to write in your diaries, do page number 15. So, you're going to give me the last minute task answer by 9:30, and you're going to do page number 15. So, do complete your work. In next class, we are going to elaborate about the place values and the face values. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.